Hi dear students, now we will derive next equation from the chapter electrochemistry. The next equation is used to calculate EMF of the cell at non-standard conditions. Next equation, work done by a cell which is generally indicated with the W electrical. The work done by a cell is equal to total charge multiplied by EMF of the cell. Total charge multiplied by EMF of the cell. So when n moles of electrons, small n moles of electrons are transferred in a reaction, then total charge is equal to n moles of electrons transferred, then total charge is equal to n multiplied by F, Faraday. We know F is equal to 96,500 coulombs. So then W is equal to work electrical, W is equal to NFE. For any system, the work done by the system is equal to the decrease in Gibbs free energy change. For a system, the work done is same as the decrease in Gibbs free energy. So decrease in Gibbs free energy. So this we can write it as delta G is equal to minus NFE, right? Because this negative sign indicates decrease in Gibbs free energy change, right? Then the relation between delta G and delta G naught is delta G is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q, where Q is a reaction quotient, right? So then let us proceed with the further simplification. Delta G is equal to change in Gibbs free energy at non-standard conditions is equal to delta G naught plus RT ln Q, where Q is a reaction quotient, R is a universal gas constant, T is a temperature, right? So delta G is equal to minus NFE. That is, E indicates it is a E cell, right? Delta G naught is equal to minus NF E naught cell. Let us substitute these values in this equation. Delta G is equal to minus NF E cell is equal to delta G naught value is minus NF E naught cell, that is cell EMF at standard conditions, plus RT ln Q. Let us divide this equation with the minus NF. Divide the total equation with minus NF, right? Then left hand side of the equation minus NF E cell divided by minus NF is equal to minus NF E naught cell divided by minus NF plus RT by minus NF into ln Q will get, right? So here minus NF gets cancelled. Minus NF gets cancelled. So the resultant equation we will get E cell is equal to E naught cell. So plus divided by minus is minus RT by NF into ln Q, right? So by substituting the values here, F is equal to 96,500 coulombs and the temperature is 298 Kelvin. Okay, so ln is called as natural logarithm. We should convert into common logarithm. Then this is to be multiplied with the some quotient, that is 2.303. Then E cell is equal to E naught cell minus R value is 8.314, temperature is 298 divided by N is number of moles of electrons, which will depends on the reaction. F value is 96,500 and 2.303. Now common natural logarithm will become as common logarithm, that is log Q. On simplifying this, we will get E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.0591 by N log Q will get, right? So in this, what is the Q? Reaction quotient Q, right? For example, we have an equation like Cu2 plus aqueous plus Zns solid gives rise to Zn2 plus aqueous plus Cu solid. Then the reaction quotient Q is the product of active masses of the products divided by the product of active masses of the reactants. Here Zn2 plus active masses, we can include Zn2 plus in the square bracket. Cu is a solid, active mass of the solid is 1. So divide by, here Zn is a solid, active mass is 1. So remaining term is Cu2 plus, right, which is included in the square bracket. And one more thing, E naught cell, how to measure is E naught cell is equal to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. This is about next equation. Thanks for watching.